Mga kaibigan, kung naghahanap po kayo ng mabibilhan o kaya yung mabibiling mga fancy cactuses, panoorin nyo po itong video kasi ibabahagi ko sa inyo ang lugar kung saan nyo makikita at kung saan kayo makakabili ng mga cactuses na ganito. Fancy cactuses. Tinatawag ko siyang fancy cactus kasi kakaiba. Pero totoong halaman po ito, totoong halaman ng cactus. Kaso kakaiba nga ang itsura. First time kong makakita ng ganito, hindi siya yung karaniwang cactus na nakikita natin sa labas. Tingnan nyo na lang ang itsura, ang hugis, pati ang kulay ng bulaklak. Kakaiba po talaga. Makikita at mabibili nyo po ang mga cactus na ito sa showroom ng Al-Yamamah Gardens. Dito yan sa may Qasim Road going to the province of Qasim from the city center of Riyadh. This is to the right side and to the left side because this is in front of Al-Yamamah University. You will see also the Al-Yamamah University. And siguro natatandaan nyo na sa aking English channel, The Don Adventures sa YouTube at saka sa Facebook page ko na Don Wonders and Wonder, na i-feature ko na rin ang Al-Yamamah Gardens, yung farm nila mismo sa may Golden Valley ng Hafirat, Nisa, Riyadh. Liban po sa mga kakaibang cactus, meron din silang mga magagandang bulaklak, mga namumulaklak na halaman na pwede nyong bilhin. Katulad nito, ito ang Yellow Chrysanthemum. Ito po ang kanilang location sa may Qasim Road. Ang nasa kaliwang bahagi nitong screen yan ang Qasim Road. Pakita ko muna to sa inyo para maging malinaw kung saan kayo pupunta. So ito po ang nasa loob ng showroom. Kung titingnan nyo, para rin siyang garden na indoor. Parang indoor garden. Kasi marami at iba't ibang halaman ang inyong makikita rito. Marami kayong pagpipilian na gusto nyong bilhin, dalhin sa inyong bahay o kaya itanim sa inyong garden. Tulad ng mga ito, meron silang bonsai at mga flowering ornamental plants. So, lahat na nandito ay pwedeng bilhin at makikita nyo nga ang mga plant pots, merong price tag na nakalagay. Yan po ang halaga ng bawat halaman na magugustuhan nyo. So ito, pakita ko lang sa inyo. At sa muli, madali itong puntahan kasi nga nasa gilid ito ng highway going to the province of Al-Qasim. Kasi nasa Al-Qasim Road ito. Okay, ito po, yan. Nakikita nyo may mga price tags ang bawat taniman. Yung bawat pot, merong price tag. At pagpasok nyo siyempre dito sa loob, ito na ang inyong makikita, ang mga fancy cactuses na tinatawag ko. Tingnan nyo na lang ang itsura niya, kulay pula ang tinik at ang bulaklak dito iba-iba ang kulay. Merong blue, merong yellow at merong pula. So ipakita ko sa inyo ang mga cactuses na nandito. Ako talaga manghang-mangha ako dito sa mga cactuses na ito. Liban dyan, ito yung tinatawag na snake plant. Ngayon, balik tayo dito sa mga cactus. Namamangha ako kasi first time kong makakita ng mga ganitong species ng cactus. Hindi ito yung karaniwang cactus na nakikita natin sa labas, nakikita natin sa kung saan-saan. Para silang plastic pero totoong halaman po ito. Tinatawag ko lang na fancy kasi nga hindi sila yung karaniwang cactus. Liban sa mga kakaibang cactus na nandito, syempre meron din silang mga magagandang flowering plants. Kagaya nito, white chrysanthemum. So enjoy po kayo. Ipapakita ko sa inyo itong mga halamang nandito sa loob ng Yamamah Gardens showroom. Sa loob po ng showroom, meron din silang mini nursery. Itong pinapakita ko sa inyo. Dito nyo makikita ang iba't ibang mga outdoor plants at maging mga perennial trees na gusto nyong bilhin. Nandito po yan. For the peppermint plants, they have several varieties of peppermint plants here inside the nursery. Now with me is Engineer Ashraf El Sayed. He is the manager of the showroom and the department head of the garden maintenance services and private landscaping services. Okay, my friend, could you please tell us something about the showroom? What are the services and what time do you open?
Hello, good morning, my friends, everybody. We are Al-Yamama Garden establishment for contracting and landscaping company. We have a big showroom for the indoor and outdoor plants. We are opening from 9 o'clock in the morning until 11 in the evening. Our location in Al-Arid district, it's going to Al-Qasim Road, King Fahd Road, also opposite of Al-Yamama University. We are a promising Saudi establishment giving service for the indoor plants delivery and planting and maintenance. And also we have landscaper people. Our staff is mostly engineer for specialists for more than 20 years for giving the landscaping works, garden maintenance. Also beside this, we have a large farm with different kind of trees. We are giving also the service for the irrigation system. We are executing projects, getting maintenance. For the indoor plants, we are also specialists. We import from outside. We have a nice showroom. I invite everybody to visit us. You will find some good prices with good discount and different kind of flowers, indoor flowers and outdoor flowers. Everything related with landscaping and agriculture services. This is our garden center is newly opened, maybe around 10 months ago. But actually we are in the market since long time. We have a big showroom for garden tools like mowers and everything. And we have the management office at Al Madina Road, the exit 28.
And my friend, I hear that you are also selling arranged flowers.
Yes, sir. We have a cut flower arrangement. We get the order from the client previously, one day more before, so that we can deliver it at the time. We have a good people for arranging the flower. We are also experts for a long time for the delivery of flower. We have a nice bouquet. Different kind of bouquet, and even we are preparing before for some weddings for our clients for the flower arrangement.